Visit the official Python website. You will see a Download Python 3.13.0 button at the top. Click it to begin the download. Click the Windows installer, usually the 64-bit version, to download the .exe file. Locate the downloaded Python 3.13.0.exe file, typically found in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it to start the installation. Check the box that says Add Python 3.13 to path. This ensures that Python can be accessed from the command line. Choose Install Now for a quick installation using the default settings, or click Customize Installation if you want more control over where Python is installed. You will be prompted to select optional features like pip, Python's package manager, idle, Python's integrated development environment, and documentation. Leave these checked for a complete installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. It should take only a few minutes. Once installation is complete, open Command Prompt, press Win+R, type CMD, and hit Enter. The command Python _ version is used to check the currently installed version of Python on your system. When you run this command in the terminal or command prompt, it will display the version number of Python that is installed, such as Python 3.13.0. You've successfully installed Python 3.13.0 on your machine, and it's ready to use. You can now start coding in Python, install additional libraries using pip, and work on your projects.